up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be filming a get ready with me for brunch edition. Before we get started with the video, you already know what I'm gonna say. Press the subscribe button, and if you like you like content like this, make sure you guys hit that red subscribe button and thumbs up this video. So yes, my outfit today actually is from a black owned business. Her name is Chasers. I am trying to get out of wearing black to everything and everywhere. I'm about to do my makeup. I got some new Sephora goodies as well, so I'm gonna show y'all what I got while I do my makeup. So some new things that I got from Morphe. Oh, I got some lip glosses. I'll show y'all that when I do my lip. Actually got this from Urban Outfitters. I didn't even know they sold makeup in there, but I got this from Urban Outfitters. Got this cute highlight from Sephora. It's by the Sephora brand actually, and I don't know, it's kind of a buildable blush. It's not too bright. I don't know if y'all can see that. Let me see if I turn this down. It's really not bright for real. I thought it was cute, so I got it. And then I also got, I've never tried this brand's, I don't know what I'm doing right now. I never tried this brand's blush, but this is Patrick Ta for Face, a cream and powder blush. And it's called She's a Doll. And I just thought this was the cutest thing ever. Like, oh, this is so bright, y'all can't see the colors. I thought this was the cutest thing ever. Like, these are such pretty shades of pink. Die Hard NARS Girly. I love NARS. Like, I love NARS. I had to re-up on my Laguana. I hope this is the right color. Yeah. I had to re-up on my Laguana. I tried the travel size bronzer, but I think I don't know what I think. I tried the travel size bronzer. I actually dropped it recently, so it's like completely crumbled. Like, I don't even want to spill it, but yeah, y'all see, completely crumbled. So I bought a new one, and I got the big version this time. Thank you. I got some Burberry perfume. It's called Her Intense. Smells delicious. And I got some dermaplaning to shave my skin. I think that's why my skin has like this like really nice glow to it. I shaved my skin or whatever, so it looks really good. Don't mind this little whatever this is. To do my lip combo. For my lip liner, I use MAC in the color Chestnut. This is my old reliable. Nothing holds me down like my MAC lip liner, so clearly. And I you can use this for like mad long. So basically I just, and it glides on so smooth. It's like I want a lip filler, so I can have that Rihanna lip, that like Cupid's bow looking lip. So that's that. And I also got this new lip gloss, also at Sephora, by Patrick Ta. And it's so glossy, like, it's so glossy. It's crazy. But you only need a little bit. And it smells so good, like, you don't be finding lip gloss that smell good no more. Unless it's like little childish lip glosses with like scents. And then I got this by Mario little lip thing. I think this is like a lip plumping. Cause one of these be making my lips tingle. I don't know if it's this or the other one. But yeah, get into it. Get into the look. Yeah, see, I never was a jet black girly, but ever since I colored this wig jet black, I don't think I could ever go back to no other like color. Like, I love the jet black. And then the no baby hair vibe, like, yeah. So, yeah. I'm about to grab my stuff to do my hair, and then, yeah, we're moving on along. Brunch is at 5:30. It's currently 3 o'clock, so doing good with time. Flat iron that I like using is my Baby Bliss titanium plates. Look at that beauty. Oh. And these plates go all the way up to 450. But I don't think I need that much heat, so I'm gonna do 375. So I just really need to run through my hair, not really do too much, cause you know I sell the best hair. You don't even gotta really do too much with it. But look at that, it just glides. I just need a little run through. This hair is so versatile. Like, I done wore this hair straight before. I done wore it half up, half down with curls. I done wore it crimped. I don't know what I'm gonna do next. This is what we're giving. Sunday fun day. Cute little vibe. I'm gonna put my jewelry on. Got my little watch. This. I'm really debating, do I want to wear a bra or not? But I like how this bra makes my boobs like look bigger. So I might just keep the bra on. Let's see. Oh. Don't remember this shirt being this tight. This is my skirt. It's really like a skirt. Really more so like a skirt, because it has shorts, and I love that because that means if I twerk or dance, I don't gotta worry about my cheeks coming out. And so this is the outfit. I got this cute bag from Forever 21. It's sparkly, and I got my boots. And yeah, I'm gonna probably take a mirror video and put it here so y'all can see what it looks like. But these are the boots and the fit, and now I'm ready to go out. So yeah, this is the fit. Cute little girly fit. I definitely need to take pictures.
Briefing and we came up with this strategy collectively.
Fire. Don't mind my TV. I'm watching this little movie. It's super loud, but
The entire operation will remain classified.
period. So yes, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you guys hit that red subscribe button and thumbs up this video. If y'all want more videos like this, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to tune in for another video. Every